Welcome to CSE Guru. In this session, we will discuss how to write a C code to find largest of two numbers. So here the logic is we need to enter two variable values, compare those two values, which one is largest, it has to return that value. That is the logic of this C program. So we need to write a C code to execute this logic. So first include header file hash include within angle bracket stdio.h. Then include main function, and within main we have to write the logic of this C code to find largest of two numbers. And here, since we are going to compare two numbers, we need input for two values. Okay, for those two values only we are going to compare. So first declare two variables. I am declaring it as int x and y. Two variables I have declared. Then I have to get input for x and input for y. So using the printf statement, enter the value of x and y. Okay. So next line, we have to accept the input. So we need to enter x value also, y value also. Using two scanf statement also, we can able to accept it. Okay. See here, I am doing like this. Using two individual scanf statements, I am going to accept x value and y value. So scanf %d ampersand x. This is possible, and scanf, here need to close the bracket, %d ampersand y. Okay. Using one single scanf statement also, you can combine x and y input values. That is also possible. This is also correct only. Okay. Next comes the logic to compare two values. Now we have accepted x value and we have accepted y value. Okay. We need to compare those two values. So to compare, we are going to use if statement here. If x is since largest of two numbers. Okay. So if x is greater than y, x is greater than y in the sense, what is the meaning? X value is greater compared to y value. So we have to print here, printf x is largest. Okay. Suppose if x value is not greater in the sense, automatically control has to go to else part. If condition fails in the sense, it has to go to else part. That is if else statement. Okay. So go to else part and there it has to print y is greatest. That's it. Y is largest. Okay. So this is the simple logic to compare two values to print whether it is largest or even smallest also. Smallest in the sense, just here only the comparison we have to change. Instead of greater than symbol, you have to use less than symbol. And here you have to print the message within the printf statement smallest. That's it. Okay. So now we will execute the C code. Okay. So run the C code. Enter the value of x and y. X I am entering here as 67 and y I am entering it as 23. So here we have to get x is largest. Okay. See here. X is largest. Suppose if x value I am entering it as 45 and y value is 98, I am entering here. Okay. So see here, y is largest. Okay. See here, these two scanf statement we can able to combine also, that we have seen in previous programs and all. Okay. That is, within one single scanf statement itself, we can able to accept x value and y value. That is, add one more %d, and here itself we can accept y value. And this is not required. This statement is not required. See, the efficiency of a C program will also depends upon the number of lines of C code. That also matters. Okay, however possible, we have to make it less number of statements. Okay, so that helps to check and debug the errors easily. So however possible, write the C code with less number of statements. Okay, see here, if we are executing the same output, we will get it. Here we have to enter x value. So 23 and 45. Okay, y is largest. Again, So if you are entering the C code, X value I am entering it as 23 and Y value as 67. See here, Y is largest. Again, if you are running the C code, X value is 34, Y value I am entering it as 12 in this, and see here, X is largest. This is a very simple logic using if-else statement. Thank you for watching this video.